Performing testing with the Triage test device kits and the Triage MeterPro is designed to provide diagnostic results quickly and easily. This module will provide users guidance on how to load patient samples to produce the results on the Triage MeterPro using blood, plasma, or urine specimens. The assays used in this demonstration are Quidel Triage BNP test and Quidel Triage Tox Drug Screen 94600 test kits. For additional information, please refer to the individual assay package insert or contact Quidel technical support. Understanding the kit components prior to performing patient testing is necessary to ensure a proper result is produced. Quidel provides all components necessary to run testing with the Triage assays, and we recommend that you use the components contained in each kit. The materials contained in the Quidel Triage BNP test and Triage Tox Drug Screen 94600 test kit include the following. To install printer paper, remove the printer cover by pulling back on the cover as indicated by the arrow on the back of the cover. Tear or cut a clean straight edge to feed into the printer. Position the paper such that it will feed under the roll. Insert the paper edge under the paper roller until it firmly seats where resistance is felt. Place the roll of paper into the paper compartment. Press the printer key twice and paper will feed through the printer and extend out of the meter. Replace the printer cover and continue operation. Lot calibration using the reagent code chip module. When a new lot of test devices is opened, the calibration and expiration data for that lot of test devices must be transferred to the meter before patient testing. Use the reagent code chip module supplied with the new lot of test devices to transfer the data to the meter. Note: perform QC device testing on each day of patient sample testing. Frozen plasma and refrigerated whole blood, plasma, or urine specimens must be allowed to reach room temperature and mix thoroughly before testing. Triage test devices must be taken out of refrigeration and allowed to reach operating temperature 20 degrees Celsius to 24 degrees Celsius for BNP and 18 degrees Celsius to 28 degrees Celsius for Tox Drug Screen 94600. Allow each test device to equilibrate to room temperature for at least 15 minutes as specified in the test package insert prior to running a patient sample. Add sample immediately after opening foil pouch. Place the test device on a flat, level surface. Label device with a patient ID to appropriate area with non-fluorescent pen and compare the ID to a sample tube. Make sure all samples are mixed to a homogeneous state before loading. Before running any triage test, consult the package insert for operating temperature specifications. Using a supplied Quidel disposable transfer pipette, draw the sample and inoculate the test device. Note: specimen type will vary depending on which product that is used. Toxicology products use urine, and cardiology products use either venous drawn EDTA anticoagulated whole blood or plasma. Do not use fluorescent or brightly colored ink or write on the outside of the blank area as it may interfere with the test. Test devices must be inserted into the Triage MeterPro within 30 minutes of inoculation. Wait for the sample to fully absorb before inserting into the meter. From the main screen, select Run Test and press Enter. Select Patient Sample and press Enter. Enter the patient identification number and then press Enter. Confirm patient ID and press Enter. If needed, correct patient ID can be used to correct entry. Holding the test devices by the edge, insert the test device into the meter and press Enter. The meter will beep to indicate the test is done. The results appear on the LCD screen. If printing is enabled, the results will automatically print. If printing is disabled, the user can use the print icon to print results. If the meter detects that the patient results are outside the specified analyte range, the result will be highlighted and an error message will be displayed. If you see an exclamation mark or pound sign on the screen instead of the results, this means an error has occurred. Consult the user manual for a guide to error codes. If you are unsure how to resolve an error code, contact Quidel technical support. Running a batch patient test with multiple test devices is easy with the Triage MeterPro. but timing is crucial to ensuring the integrity of inoculations. If multiple test devices are being used, ensure that each test device is inserted into the meter within 30 minutes of inoculation. Open the first test device and inoculate with the sample. Once the sample has been fully absorbed, insert the test device into the meter. Open test device 2 and inoculate with the sample. Once test device 1 has been ejected and results have been recorded, insert test device 2 to begin the test. Running batch testing allows for multiple test devices to run per hour and can increase throughput.